It's been a long time since I did a black glitter eye smoky, a black smoky eye look. And yes, honey, I'm giving you guys that vibe, you know, with the lip skin, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Okay. And this is a perfect look for the holidays. We're getting closer to Christmas, and we're also getting closer to New Year's. I feel like this will be perfect for Christmas and New Year. So without further ado, you guys already know the drill. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Okay, and also hit that notification bell, okay? Because we want to enter 2020 with y'all knowing when I upload my videos. And that's on that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. You guys, I love y'all so much. Now, Panasana, and I will see you guys in my next video. What is up, my babies? Welcome back to another makeup tutorial. Yes, we giving you holiday glam today, okay? So first thing is first, we're gonna put some gloss on my lips because y'all already know crusty lips ain't cute, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and grab this KAJA Beauty Dream Puff Primer. First time using this primer, so I was not expecting that at all. But this primer also has this really cool sheen underneath that you guys can tell. So it gives my skin a little bit of a glow. I'm not crazy for the primer, it's not terrible, but I was really thrown back, okay? Had to give you guys a little bit of a Christian music break, okay? But that is one of my favorite songs. I love it so much. And I usually listen to a lot of Christian music when I'm doing my makeup. I don't know what it is, but we're going to jump into foundation. Now I'm going to grab my Fenty Beauty Foundation, Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 420. Again, excuse the lighting. I didn't even know it was this bright. Oh my goodness. But you know what? We still like the quality. It's going to end up going down once, you know, the sun was setting a little bit. So I was really glad it went down because I was like, oh my gosh, should I put this up for you guys or not? But I'm sure y'all still love it nonetheless. But I'm blending this all in with the new Morphe brush. If you guys watched my vlog, then you know about this brush. This brush is really good. Like, you can see how well it blends my foundation. Like, smooth like butter. Doesn't leave me with streaks or anything like that. And voila, look at that. Bomb brush, period. So now I'm going to grab this KAJA Beauty Concealer. OMG. First time trying this concealer out. I am amazed, okay? I really am, because I didn't even know KAJA Beauty had this much products, and they were kind enough to actually send me everything I'm trying out from their brand, so shout out to them. I really appreciate that. But this concealer is amazing for you ladies who want a concealer that's lightweight but also gives you a coverage, that it's not too cakey. This is perfect. Like, I feel like this is my go-to concealers when I'm doing my everyday glam, but I'm still getting glam with it. It's perfect. And the shades that I have will be in the description box. Make sure you check that out as well. So I'm going to just blend that all in with my beauty blender. Let's fast forward this bad boy because I'm sure y'all see me blend concealers every day of my life. But we're going to fast forward it, but it blends really nice. It's super creamy. It's so lightweight. I just feel like not everybody talks about KAJA Beauty concealer as much. I don't know why, but I'm glad they sent it to me because I just discovered them. So now we're going to contour with the Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Expresso. Okay, y'all know the drill. Contour all the places that I feel like it needs to be contoured. Obviously, my forehead. I started doing my nose this year. I've been hooked. Okay, I just been snatching the hell out of this nose. Okay, and I've also been contouring underneath my lip. I don't know what the hell that does, honestly. I'm just doing it to do it. Sometimes you just do things just to do things, and you discover you actually low-key like it. So I'm just blending this bad boy all in, making sure I don't have any harsh lines or anything like that, and everything is blended in. This matchstick is a pain in the butt, I ain't gonna lie. When it comes to blending, this thing is stiff as hell. I don't know if anybody else experienced that, but girl, it is stiff, and I ain't about that life. I'm not crazy for it, but I had to use it because it's been a long time. So now I'm gonna set everywhere that I just highlighted. Set your concealers, ladies, and I'm grabbing this HUDA Beauty setting powder in the shade Blondie, Bomb Setting Powder. If you still have not got yet, you should get it. It's bomb. So I'm going to set where I contoured with the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Coconut Naughty. Warm up my skin a little bit more, and also set where I contoured. This is a bomb bronzer, okay? Oh, it's a nice bronzer. I ain't gonna lie. You can just use it on its own. So here is the start of the show. I'm grabbing the 39L Hit the Lights eyeshadow palette. OMG. Beautiful palette. Beautiful palette. But I'm going to take that light, super light, like cream eyeshadow and just work this all over my eyelid as a transition shade. Yes, I know you can't see it, but honestly, it makes sense for me to do this, okay? So I'm just working that all over my eyelid, and I'm also taking that brown, light brown eyeshadow and just working that into my crease as my transition shade. It's more warm tone, and I love, love, love it for my smoky eye. So I'm just blending that in like so with a Morphe brush. Now this time around, I will leave all the brushes I used in the description box, so make sure you check that out, and the names and all that good stuff. So now I am going to pack that black eyeshadow all over my eyelid. Now, when it comes to smoky eye, you can use like a black pencil first, and that's just gonna act for like the base before you put the black eyeshadow, but I didn't want to do all of that. So what I did, I grabbed the black eyeshadow and I just worked that all over my eyelid, and then I end up blending it all in. It was still as pigment, so that's why I'm actually in love with this palette, because some of these black eyeshadows you need another pencil to like make it pigment, stuff like that. But another thing I realized too, when you blend it all in, it kind of disappears. Okay, so actually when I think about it now, you kind of do need that black pencil so it can act like a base, so then the eyeshadow does not move. But it's okay. I end up going back into that palette again and packing that eyeshadow in. I just wanted to make sure everything is blended so I don't have any harsh line. I'm also taking that same brown eyeshadow and I'm just working that all over my water lash line like so, making sure it is secured. And yeah, so now I'm taking my NYX glitter glue and this black glitter eyeshadow and just working this all over my eyelid. And this is where I got all the glitter blessing, okay? I am so in love with NYX glitter. This is the only one actually that I own. I am going to try other different colors this month because it's all holiday makeup coming your way. But this black is bomb. I mean bomb. Bomb. Okay, y'all see how beautiful that is? It's not doing too much. It's not too, too big. I like my glitter small, and I like it looking really like not kiddish, if that makes any sense, because there's some glitters out there that kind of look kiddish to me. I don't know, but yeah, I'm just blending that bad boy in, and y'all look how beautiful that is. So now I'm gonna grab my HUDA Beauty eyeliner, and this is the one that has an eyeliner and also like a water lash line liner. Bomb. So I'm gonna go grab lashes, and the lashes I am using today is Coco lashes and Goddess, and I just placed them in my little lash tray now. I'm reusing my lashes as I go, you guys, because lashes ain't cheap. Okay, they're not cheap, even though Coco lashes is cheap. They still not cheap. So I'm just popping them lashes on, and boom, voila, bomb, bomb. And y'all, this is how I put my lashes on. I just place them on top. I look down, and then all I have to do is grab my hand, and I just press the false lashes with the natural lashes, and voila, they're done. So for highlight, I am grabbing this MAC highlight in the shade Gold Deposit. Bomb highlight. Bomb, bomb, bomb. If you have not owned this and you're a woman of color, you're sleeping on this highlight because it's one of my favorite ones. It's so natural. So I'm also going to use that for my inner corner of my eyes for my inner corner highlight. So to set my face, I'm grabbing this Huda Beauty setting spray, you guys, and that is it for the beat. We're gonna jump into the lips and bomb. Look how bomb this beat turned out, fire. So for lips, I'm grabbing this Juvia's Place X FUMI lip gloss in the shade Royalty. Bomb. And I'm also outlining my lips with the MAC lip pencil in Chestnut. Let me know in the comment section, what is your favorite brown lip liner? Like, I want to know because I want to get other ones. I feel like I've experienced a good chunk, but I need more. So y'all, this is it for this look, honeys. I hope y'all enjoyed it as usual. I love y'all so, so much. Now, pena sana, subscribe if you're new, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.